Okay, so in the last video, I showed you how to add a page. So now when you're finished with the page, you want to make sure that you have the URL, and you want to go over here where it says meetings and events, upcoming FSA events, and you're going to want to go and embed it into this page. So I'm going to just show you quickly how to do that. You probably already know how if you've done anything with WordPress. And I've already updated it, but I'm just going to show you. So you go in and you click on Edit Page, and you just find the, we'll just remove that, and then we'll go back in and we'll just highlight it, and then we'll click on Insert Edit Link. And that comes up, and you just paste in the URL to that event, click Apply, Update, and we'll view the page, make sure that it's all working. Since I updated it again, I'll make sure that you know. So then this is the upcoming speaker events lineup, and so these will actually now be moved to past FSA events. I will go in and change those. I'll go into past FSA events. I'll just copy and paste, and I will just put after March, I'll put April, and I will put that event. So let me go back now to the upcoming meetings. I'm going to click on Power Selling with Lincoln. And the reason I tell you to do, I always do this right away, because if you don't have it readily available, you got to go look in the back end. So I like to put the link in right after I'm finished with the page, put it on the upcoming pages, so that I simply click there. Now, there you go. There's the page. So I mentioned in the last video that I want to show you how to update the store products, the meeting products. So here you'll see right now it's got April 13th, and it's got the Tarpon Bay Club. I'm actually going to go in and open up another window. I can actually do this because I already still have the link. So I'm going to go in and update that so that I have all of the information here. So we want to edit this product because it is not April 13th. So we're going to go in and we're going to click Edit Product. We're going to change this to May 11th. And I purposely never changed the permalink because it says morning session guests. Okay, then you're going to want to go in and you're going to have to copy and paste part of it. I don't usually do the full amount, so I'm going to just put Power Selling with LinkedIn. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to head over here where it says morning session with Walter Bond. I'm going to just put I'm actually going to remove this. And I'm going to bring this up here. So it already says morning session with Phil Gerbichek. Sometimes I'm recording these things and I forget to turn my phone off, so I apologize for that. But anyway, so here we go. Morning session with Phil Gerbichek. The reason we're saying morning session is there is an afternoon session, but it's going to be free. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to put on this, don't miss the, I want them to see that on the product page as well. Don't miss the afternoon session, bring your friends. I'm just going to copy and paste that. Now, there's a small description. So the small description, you're just going to copy and paste the name, Power Selling, whatever it is, whatever the program is. And we're going to put that there. And we're going to change the date to May 11th. And we're also going to change the location, which is Fort Lauderdale, Weston. The time should be the same. It should be 8:45 to noon, and then that. And that's all we have to do here. Let me just leave a little space there. And then the pricing's already in there. So really you only have to update the date here, the longer description here, and the smaller description. You can see we've already got the product image there. We have the product tags. Instead of book more business, we're going to change it to LinkedIn. And then we're going to put power selling with LinkedIn. That way we have the keywords in the product tags, okay? And so you have to also go in there and change the product tags, and that's basically it. You look, the prices there. There are no linked products. Oh, yeah. Linked products. If I don't want to show you that because that's for another time. I think I've already done that video. But this is basically all you have to do. Click update. And you want to view product. Cancel. Let's update it again. Okay. So you see it has it, morning session, May 11th, $99. And it's got the details and it's got the longer description there. It'll also always pull in other events. We're going to have to change this full day because this is no longer available. And then the full day, April 13th, since those two are not available. But then they can add to the cart. So that's now in the cart. Click on one item and you can see that it worked. And that wasn't it. All right, let me go back there and find out what happened. Okay, I'm going to do add to cart. There we go. Morning session guests. And if you have any coupons, then you go in there and you put those in there. So that is how you update the products. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the member one. So that's the next video. And the last video, I will show you how to update the home page slider.